So this is a tent I recommend. They're from Eurohike, from Blacks in the UK. And this one's the Tame R3, has the big porch on it. This tent's been up since the Feast of Tabernacles, so it's been up since October. And the only problem I had with it actually came down because the rods jumped out of themselves. When I bought a new tent, I went for ones that had the rods, the dome type. My old type had the rods in it, but you needed to pull the cord strings to make it, erect. So if the cord string snapped, or the little tabs here snapped, then you just wouldn't have a tent. This is like a standalone, so as soon as you put the rods in, it stands alone. You can actually take the inside out and just have it one big sort of porch, like in the summer, and take shelter from the sun or whatever. The only problem I had from it, it's been up for 6 months and it's been through some proper wild weather, is on one side of it, this snapped off, the hook that hooks onto the inner canvas onto the outer, and so I had to replace that with a bit of paracord. But then I decided, instead of having these hooks which kind of come off when you're trying to put the tent up, I thought I'd put these carabiners on, so it locks the inner part to the outer part where you're trying to put it up. Inside it's quite spacious. I was able to put a sort of double blow-up bed along here and still have about 4 foot of space. I have a couple of little side pouches there for putting your bits of belongings in. Another one on the other side. The top comes off so you can look at the stars. Or let all the heat come out in real hot conditions. And then you have a top hook here, which is handy. What I did was put this little solar panelled light at the top, put some wire on there and hooked it on, and then obviously when it goes dark you can as it goes dark, the LED came on and gave me a bit of light in the tent, obviously pitch black in the middle of fields. So yeah, this is a tabernacle I recommend, and like I said, it's been up for nearly 6 months and it only came down about 2 weeks ago, but it wasn't broken, it was just that the rods somehow popped out. So really is good quality stuff, and I advise it.